Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2026. It's second round action, and the scores are Central High 1, Camperdown High 7. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Camperdown High, it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was Solomon's mother?
Elizabeth.
No, Bathsheba. Which structure prevents food entering the human trachea?
Epiglottis.
Correct. What is meant by the idiom to spill the beans?
To tell a secret.
Correct. In March 2023, the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant for which world leader?
Rodrigo Duterte.
No, Vladimir Putin. What is the fear of open spaces called?
Agoraphobia.
Correct. What is the name for an elevated flat land?
Plateau.
Correct. Which German Baroque composer wrote the Well-Tempered Clavier?
James Bach.
No, Johann Sebastian. Yes. What type of reaction converts alkene to alkane?
Hydration.
No, hydrogenation. Factorize x squared minus 121.
Perfect. X minus 11, x plus 11.
Correct. Which film festival awards the Palme d'Or? The Cannes Film Festival. And that's the end of the first minute for Camperdown. Now we go to Central High for their first minute. To Central High, rather. Central High, in the Bible, who was the father of Moses?
Enoch.
No, Amram. What is the name given to the holes in insects through which air passes for respiration?
Pass.
Spiracles. What is meant by the idiom Hobson's choice?
Your choice.
No, no choice at all. In January 2026, the US captured which world leader on alleged drug charges?
Nicolas Rodriguez.
No, Nicolas Maduro. What branch of government interprets laws?
Pass.
The judiciary. What is the name for the mouth of a tidal river?
Pass.
Estuary. Which opera by Georges Bizet features the...
Carmen.
Yes. How many sigma bonds are in ethene?
2.
No, 3. Factorize x squared minus x minus 42.
Pass.
X minus 7, x plus 6. In 2023, the revival of Sweeney Todd on Broadway starred which actor in the title role? No, time to answer that. Josh Groban is the answer. End of the first minute for Central High. Now, back to Camperdown for their second minute. Camperdown, who was the mother of King Louis XVII of France?
Marie Antoinette.
Correct. What term describes a drawn chess match with no legal moves?
Stalemate.
Correct. In the formula E equals mc squared, what does C represent?
Speed of light in a vacuum.
Yes. And what is the English translation for the Spanish verb esforzarse?
To escalate.
No, to make an effort or strive. Which play features the character Willie Lowman?
Pass.
Death of a salesman. Using the word nyam, give a Jamaican proverb which means stubborn children usually learn the hard way.
How do you spin in your stone?
Correct. In the Bible, which gospel opens with the genealogy of Jesus?
Matthew.
Correct. Which specific structure in the human kidney reabsorbs most water?
Lufa Fenley.
No, proximal convoluted tubule. Spell snare, which means to jeer.
SNEER.
Yes. How many countries were included in the U.S. immigrant visa processing suspension announced in January 2026?
14.
Incorrect, 75.
Come on.
And that's the end of the second minute for Camperdown. Now to Central High for their second minute. Central High, which ancient Greek historian is called the father of history?
Aristotle.
No, Herodotus. And which two pieces are involved in the chess move of castling?
King and the rook.
Yes. How much energy in joules is gained by an electron when it passes through a potential? 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. What is the English translation for the Spanish phrase, lo antes posible?
It is not possible.
No, as soon as possible. Who wrote the book, The Tragical History of Dr. Faustus?
Pass.
Christopher Marlowe. Which Jamaican phrase, which includes the word fashion, means to make do with what you have?
Fashion.
Correct. In the Bible, which book ends with the words, "Come, Lord Jesus"?
Ezekiel.
No, Revelation. Specifically, which protein forms a blood clot in humans?
Hemoglobin.
No, fibrin. Spell aisle, which means a main passage.
A-I-S-L-E.
Correct. In which U.S. state were 2 U.S. citizens shot and killed by... Pardon?
Tennessee.
No, Minneapolis. And that's the end of the second minute for Central High. Now we go back to Camperdown for their third and final minute. Camperdown, which world site is nicknamed the Lost City of the Incas?
Machu Picchu.
Yes, a coastal area experiences dry conditions on the leeward side of a mountain range. What is this effect called?
Sharins.
No, rain shadow. Who composed the popular musical work Ave Maria?
Beethoven.
No, Franz Schubert. What is the oxidation state of copper in copper sulfate?
+2.
Correct. What is the difference between 60 squared and 58 squared?
58. 118 times 118. 236.
Correct. In which country are the BAFTA Awards in theatre held annually?
England.
Correct. Which medieval pope launched the First Crusade?
Pope Urban II.
Correct. Who is the president of the Intersecondary School Sports
Stephen
Association? Correct. What is the prefix for 10 raised to the power of 18?
18. So, Atto.
No, exa. What is the English translation for the Spanish verb despertarse?
Desperate. To wake up.
Correct. And that's it.
That is it.
End of the third and final minute for Camperdown, and then we go back now to Central High for their third and final minute. Central High, in which country is the Himeji Castle?
Peru.
No, Japan. A settlement grows outwards from its center into surrounding rural land. What process is this?
Pass.
Urban sprawl. Who composed the musical suite Clair de Lune?
B. Claude Debussy.
Correct. What is the oxidation state of carbon in methane?
-2.
No, -4. What is the difference between 21 squared and 18 squared?
Pass.
117. What is the name of the film industry in Nigeria?
Yeah, that would be Nollywood.
Correct. What battle ended the War of the Roses in the 15th century?
Pass.
Bosworth Field. Who is the president of the Jamaican Badminton Association? B.J. Tolan. And what is the prefix for 10 raised to the power of -24?
So that would be Yata.
No, yocto. What is the English translation for the Spanish verb ducharse?
To shower.
Correct. Who wrote the Ionic work, The Social Contract?
Pass.
Jean-Jacques Rousseau. What settlement was prominently featured? And that, we don't have time for that one. So that's the end of the third and final minute for Central High and the end of our speed challenge. The score is at Central High on 8, Camperdown on 26. We go to the break with a good word from True Milk. Involve your parents. Share your goals with them for encouragement. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. Round 2 action in TVJ Schools Challenge 2026 returns right after this.